Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Westminster in Portofino Blue. This car does have the black pack, making it a real sporty appearance. You have 22-inch gloss black alloys, along with privacy glass, keeping personal items more secure. A powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full. And as you can see, you've got plenty of space there in the boot. And you can also put the seats down if you do need more room. An electrically deployable tow bar, which saves time and effort attaching one, and is great for towing things like caravans, boats and jet skis. Going into the car, you have illuminated Range Rover script tread plates and a gorgeous contrasting leather interior, which is easy to clean. A sliding panoramic roof, great for letting in more light, and is also really nice to open on a sunny day or just for some fresh air. You have a cooler compartment, which is ideal if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Heated front seats, which are definitely a luxury, especially in winter, along with heated seats in the back, ensuring all your passengers have a luxury journey. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you've got a rear view camera, making parking and reversing so much easier. Touchscreen with different functions, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with valet mode, enabling you to lock the screen so a valet can only access your climate control. You can also control your tow bar from inside the car, which saves you even having to get out. And you also have ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, which looks effective in the dark, and you can also adjust the brightness or turn it off altogether. Controls on your wheel, so you have a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, all really handy for motorway driving. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must on a cold winter morning. Memory seats, handy if there's several people driving the car. And a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. You also have head-up display, enabling you to keep your eyes on the road. And you can adjust the brightness, the positioning or content that you would like to see in front of you, depending on your own preference. And this car is brand new, therefore has only done 4 miles. Soft door close. And that was a stunning Range Rover in Portofino Blue. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.